we have this beautiful Power Apps development course. It is a live on demand training course. So I will be discussing about it in detail. So first of all, my intro. I'm a trainer of the day, and I have a 12 years of experience. And in that Power Apps, Power Platform, I have 5 years of experience, and I have worked more than 40 projects, 14 apps, including Canvas apps, Power Portal, Power Pages, hundreds of Power Automates I have built so far. So I am very much eligible to train you guys. So this will be our development course, and I will be discussing about the important features of this course. And I will give you 23 hours of learning sessions, in that 18, apart from that, 18 hands-on lab sessions will be there. So you will be creating your own app, learning, you will be asking doubts. I will ask you to create your Canvas app, model-driven apps. So I'm working and I have worked for more than 6 MNCs. So So I have real-time experience of the projects. I will be sharing with you those, and I will I will teach you and ask you to create insurance apps or real estate apps or healthcare apps, kind of. And after that, we will be providing you 1 month of project support. Like if you have any doubt, if you got job after that, if you are facing some issues, we will be providing that support, kind of, including in this training session. And yeah, we will be covering Power Apps, Canvas apps, model driven apps, and Power Pages and Power Automate. So these are the skills we will cover. Okay. So in Power Apps course and content, so I will be tell you what is the Canvas apps, how is it different from Android apps, and I will teach you to set up environments in development, UAT, staging, pre-prod, sandbox, trial production, and you will be setting up DLP policies. These are the very crucial policies and critical. So everybody of you should know about it. I will be teaching you to use controls like screen, forms, gallery, data table, combo box, and other controls like shape, media, display, mixed reality, barcode reader, text reader, object reader, all those. And most important functions like concurrent function, is match all, patch functions, labs, and collections. So these are the functions I will be teaching you about. And basically, yeah, obviously searching and sorting, which are very good, very important functions to use. Search by lookup using lookup function, filter function, search by functions, search by name, search by text, all these. And we'll be teaching you about Canvas versioning system. So whenever you have a issue with your version, you can play around and fix your apps by using versioning systems. I will learn you to create responsive apps, because nowadays uh, every app must be open to your iPhone, PDAs, Android phones, PCs, tablets, laptops, Chromebook, anything. So earlier, when you used to create a software using Java or .NET, that possibility was not there. The responsiveness of the app or software was not there. So by Canvas apps, it is pretty much possible now, but you have to build it as a developer. You have to build it. So I will teaching that. And custom components, which reusable components we can use for multiple screens, component libraries. These component we can use for multiple apps, right? And creating, I will teach you to create Canvas app with using SharePoint data source, Dataverse data source, with Excel and OneDrive. In Dataverse, I will be teaching you table creation, views, forms, relationship, field level security. Like suppose you have HR department, the HR department don't want to show the salary column to their employees. So that is possible in the Dataverse table. We can hide it. We can provide the security, and we can provide to display that particular field on the basis of the roles: manager, admin, HR department, CEO, like that. So yeah, so very important point, like whenever the developer build an app, so they don't know how to debug it. Sometimes if they face issue, they don't know how to debug it, how to monitor it, how to test it properly. I will be teaching you that as well. And after Canvas apps completed, you want to share it with external user, external vendors, right? So I will be showing you that as well. And of course, exporting and importing solutions in Canvas apps. And we usually call it ALM process, application lifecycle management process, like code deployment or code moving from dev to production environment. And yeah, from dev to sandbox or dev to production, I will be teaching you that. And generally, there are multiple process techniques to deploy the code. First is by manual export import solution, either managed or unmanaged code. Second is use Azure DevOps pipeline. Third is build a tool. Fourth is Power Apps pipeline. Fifth is GitHub. So there are multiple ways. So after that, we will go to the model-driven apps, and I will tell you when to use model-driven apps and when to use Canvas apps, and why we should choose it, and what are the various component of model-driven apps. So I will be covering these course and content in next video. So meanwhile, just let me know if I have missed any topic from here. Yeah, I have missed like create Canvas app in offline mode and deep linking, these two topics. Apart from that, if I have another, if I missed any other topic, just let me know in the comment box. I will include that. And about the fees structure, I will be covering that fees structure there itself. Or you have any query, you can ask in comment box. This is our official website. You can shoot or book a demo there as well, right? If you are organization, then just drop an email by going this website. We will satisfy you your queries. Okay. And we have a, I will in the description link, I will put you our Telegram group as well. So just go there and join the Telegram group. Fees structure will be mentioned there also. So till now, thank you so much for joining the session, and have a nice day ahead. Bye bye.